COVID 19, adaptive recovery, and acceptance of the new world. This pandemic has brought with itself numerous changes and challenges, some good and some not so good. We need to carefully realize and react and reflect through different phases on the different major life challenges, as this pandemic might have a series of outbreaks and not a single one. And as we are heading towards the new normal, we are resuming our activities towards better productivity and progressive growth. We are now also required to reshape the activities which can fit the prerequisites of the new normal. There will be a trend to make one's home self sufficient. This trend could lead to more recluses, more shut ins, and more people who create cocoons in their homes or apartments to protect themselves from germs in the outside world. No kisses, no high fives, no handshake. We are moving into a world where every contact will have to be scheduled on Zoom or managed in a very non spontaneous manner, keeping distance, observing rules, and checking on others if they are following them as well. The new normal will look like trend of doing the task from home, which will include work, conferencing from home, e-shopping, and maybe virtually traveling to other cities through digital platform, virtual dating. A new normal can also instill in many the fear of germs, fear of infection, paranoia about germs while thinking of traveling in public transportation like buses, trains, plane, and jet cabs. A positive component, however, of the new normal would include cleaner and safer job site. Companies will respond by implementing new job site policies such as alternating shifts, temperature checks for employees, and top to bottom disinfections. Managers and supervisors will promote social distancing and health regulation for employees. Wearing masks will now be the priority as the virus has made everyone aware about the importance of health and safety. However, on a flip side, we also can see opportunities arising out of this adversity. Healthier coping strategies and positive outcomes have taken place as well. Families have got more time to spend with each other than they had earlier. The absence of private and business appointments, guests, and business trips can even bring rest and relaxation into family life for some. For time with caregivers can go along with increased social support, which strengthens a person's ability to deal with stress during this time. We can also see that several external stressors have disappeared. The stressors that were present in the individual's life due to social contact and obligations at school, workplace, or in a social setting will reduce, leading to less stress level and positive mental health. For example, children troubled by school due to bullying or many other stressors can experience the situation of homeschooling as relieving, as a main stressor in their everyday life ceases to exist. COVID-19 has brought the human community together in collectively mastering challenges. Being in this crisis together may strengthen the sense of community and cohesion among family members. It's important to emphasize that with a lot of resilience, many people cope in a more healthier manner. For students, academic institutes are switching to digital modes of training, interaction, and assessment, which is keeping them occupied. And they are also learning to look forward to new things. In order to build our adaptability, we would be required to set our expectations and priorities for what really matters and what doesn't. There is still hope and a cause of optimism and positivity in the midst of all of this. I've read about and seen how many people who have volunteered to help others during the pandemic and has helped the person in need and also has led people at a helping experiencing a renewed purpose and meaning in their life through doing this all this helpful work. Most of the people who were able to cope better during this time were the ones who opened themselves up for new experiences and maintained to remain optimistic as much as they could. As discussed earlier, bouncing back from a worse situation always makes the person more resilient and stronger for the future. The first thing you do is accept reality. We will have to learn to accept the fact that we have to live with the current situation and find ways to make the best out of it. The more we face the situation, the less anxious we become, as denying the situation will be of no use. The lurking fear of COVID 19 infection can be dealt properly only if we take necessary precautions. The anxiety about stepping out are similar to those we were having during the lockdown, which needs to be channelized properly so that we continue with the safety precautions we have been taking all this while. When one starts going to their workplace, it is a must to clear any doubt or apprehensions with their employer regarding their policies post COVID 19, as that it could also be a cause of anxiety. While going for work, everyone needs to still maintain social distancing, pay attention to proper sanitization, and wear masks regularly. As discussed earlier, speaking up to someone about the issues, be it a friend, family member, colleague, or a therapist, depending on the severity, is most important as bottling our anxieties will not help much. Coming out of this situation is not less than winning a battle. We are living in unusual times. We need to fight this battle with our mind, heart, and vigor. Due to the current situation, a monetary crisis is seen all over the world, which has become a problem for many. But government is playing their parts to help all who are suffering with various long-term and short-term borrowings. The experience from this public health emergency should guide government and authorities how to efficiently intervene in any future crisis around the world. In this lecture, we have discussed what the new normal is going to look like, what are the challenges and opportunities it has brought with itself, and how we can modify our perception to adjust better in the coming post COVID world.